bird on a tree.
Oh my gosh, Scotty has no patience today. So I've got some projects I'm doing. Scotty has a lot of projects he's doing. Pumpkin doesn't quite know what she's doing. So we are getting ready to go to Ace Hardware. All right, so I'm gonna make my own shelving today. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it, but Pumpkin's over here going like this to me. Like she's thinking, why are you talking to yourself, Mom? Huh? What's going on? You can't quite figure it out, huh? Why is Mommy talking to herself? Okay, so I was telling you, Scotty's just a little bit impatient this morning. He's got so much going on. He's got issues with the generator in the camper. He's got a flat tire on the trailer that he just brought home on our tractor. And I don't know, he's got a bunch of stuff going on. It's just really bugging him. So he's already out in the car waiting for me. I wasn't even ready to roll. So I just threw up my hair and wiped my makeup off a little bit. And I gotta get your leash. We're gonna go to Ace. Ace is the place. So it's our only hardware store in Ocean Shores. We have another hardware store, but it's more like a lumber store. And Ace has exactly what I want, I hope. Come on, Punk. Come on. We gotta go. She hates her leash. Come on. It's all right. Do you want to go bye-bye with Mommy? Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. If you want to go with Mommy, you got to go get your leash on. And you got to get your harness on. Come on. Pumpkin. She can't figure out where to hide. Pumpkin. Come on. Would you like to go with Mommy? I don't want to leave you here. Come on. Come on. We got to go. Papa's in a hurry today. You guys see her shaking? She just absolutely hates her harness. It's okay, baby girl. Mama's got you. I know. I don't know what they did to her when she was with her other families, but it's not good. It's okay. She was okay for a little bit with this when we first got her, but now she's not so much. Pumpkin, I took it off of her because she was shaking so bad. Pumpkin, we really want you to go with us.
Don't you want to go with Mama? Huh?
Mm-hmm. All right. Well, I think Pumpkin's going to stay.
Okay.
I think she's going to stay. I think it's more traumatic for her.
Guard the house. Be a good guard, doggy dog.
All right. You going to stay? There's all your toys. You got your toys all over today.
Or do you want this
No.
one? You want this one?
No. You want your jacket?
You want this one?
No. No. It's so traumatic for her. I don't know why, but it is.
She's a dramatic dog.
Do you want to go with Mommy? Come on, let's go. Let's go. We'll put it on you in the car. Wow, the tide is really in.
Look at the snow.
That.
That's sea foam.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Lots of sea foam.
Don't normally see that.
Oh, look at that big tree.
Well, we don't anyways because we just moved here. We've got icebergs out here. Look at the foam. Wow.
Is that not so cool?
I know. It's like one big bubble bath.
Well, I mean, how it moves. It just slides. It's all water tension. Here comes the big thing.
Isn't that crazy, you guys? Just one big bubble bath. thing about going to the store for us is that we can take our beach highway.
We can go this way to
We
town.
can take the beach all the way to town. Somebody was asking, actually quite a few of you guys were asking, Pumpkin, how far from our property is the beach? So we have a 9-minute walk to the beach through our development. And we have...
I want to say it's a little under half a mile.
Half a mile. And then it takes us about 2 minutes to drive there, if that. Not much. The foam is just insane. It's like it snowed.
Yeah.
Where is the road?
I assume it's where the water's pouring out.
There's a car coming. So definitely one thing you want to do after you've been driving around on our beaches out here is you really want to either go to... Oh!
Holy moly! Holy! Oh, the poor Honda!
Babe,
I gotta go.
Oh no! I don't have a 4x. Oh God!
I think they just graded the road too. Holy moly!
My little Honda is not a 4x. Oh. Anyways, there is a car wash, hand car wash in town on the main strip. I would highly suggest that you go and you hose off your car. When we get home, we always hose off underneath the carriage, right? Is that what it's called, the carriage?
Undercarriage.
Undercarriage. Yep. And actually the whole car, we just hose it off because this salt will just destroy everything. We try to take care of the fifth wheel and the camper as well on a scheduled basis because it will rust everything. But we've been around salt water all of our life, so we understand. And hopefully it's long enough, but I think it's only 2 feet. Oh, this is thick. Alright, I gotta figure out what kind of wood I want, and then I'll show you guys what I'm making. Did I see him? Oh, he's beautiful. I see you too. Hi. I'm not gonna hurt you. You're alright. Oh, isn't he beautiful? I don't know how well you guys can see him. So he usually perches over in this other tree, but I just was in the kitchen and I saw him fly by. Ah, he's gorgeous. Alright, Scotty and I are in the kitchen cooking.
Super cooking.
Yeah, so if you guys are new with us or you don't know, if we haven't put it in one of the videos, we pretty much do all plant-based these days. So we're going to have some fried cabbage, onions, some celery. I've got some carrots going right here. Thanks to our neighbors. Thank you guys. And we're going to also cut up some baby reds, put them in here, and then I'll cut up the cabbage, put in there, and that's what we're having for dinner. We're just going to have a vegetable stir fry. It used to be that I would throw a bunch of meat in there, but we don't do that anymore. So, and we don't do that because it's inflammatory for me, for my kidney disease. So we just do everything vegetables, pretty much. We do seafood once in a while, but at home we don't buy any meats. Just do veggies.
Well, I'm the person that when I see food, I eat it, so.
Right.
No, okay.
That's what we're making. Do you want to tell them what you want? Do you want to tell everybody what it is? Oh, it's so hard. Are you kicking your feet? Throwing a tantrum?
You have to get back up to the bar. Would you like to be served? What would you like? Huh? You want to be at the bar? Okay, I could probably get something there.
Oh, pumpkin. Oh, what's Papa getting?
Okay, let's see. Let's get some real healthy little treats here. Yes, I know. Are you going to leave me a tip? Most bartenders get a tip. Would you like half a shot or a whole shot? You take after Daddy, I know.
Now the tantrums will stop for about 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
She gets quite feisty when she wants her treat. Pumpkin, you wanna show? No? You wanna tell them what you had? Did you have a pumpkin treat, huh? Did you have sweet potato? Oh, sweet potato.
See, if I had my shirt on.
Uh-oh, here it goes again.
I'm sorry, bar's closed. I'm sorry. You've been cut off.
Don't look at me. I already gave you a stick this morning, a pepperoni stick.
Did you want to talk to me about things? Is that why you come to the bar? Yeah. Well, I don't know. Yeah. That's all you get.
It's a good thing she can't get up there.
Oh, if she wanted up here, she'd be up here, huh? She might jump up though and slide right up. It's so slippery, but she knows well enough. Just remember, the beating will continue. Oh, you didn't want to hear that, huh? Until morale improves. And you're not improving your morale. What? Timmy's in the well?
Oh, there go the legs. There go the legs. No, we're not spoiled.